guys, it's Tori. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. So in today's video, I'm going to make a really neat exploding Easter box, and I'm going to use on Cricut Design Space. I typed in exploding box and it looks like this. And then I just clicked on add to canvas, and this is what I used. I just changed the colors and that kind of stuff. And let me show you real quick too. So anyway, let me go ahead and delete this because I already changed the colors. But I also inserted a heart and just two other shapes and then some butterflies. So I'm going to go ahead and get started and I'll show you what we're going to do. Okay, so this is everything that I did that came off of Cricut, and all I did was just fold it on the score lines. So now we're going to put that aside and we're going to get started. So the first thing we're going to do is take scissors and just kind of put some little like little cuts in here, kind of almost like a triangle in a way. We're going to do that all the way around. Okay. And they don't have to be even. What it's supposed to be is it's going to end up looking like grass. So there's just no wrong or right way, just whatever. So let's set this aside. And then we're going to do the exact same thing with this one. And we're going to do all four sides. One side left. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm going to make an Easter exploding box. And this is actually my first time making this. So if it ends up and it turns out okay, then anyone can do it. Here, let's throw this away. It's trash. And then we will continue. Okay, so what we're going to do is glue this to this. So let's go ahead, and I'm going to use this today. It's Scotch Permanent, and I just think it'll be easier. So then we're going to just place it in the middle and just kind of push it down. Okay, let's get the tape, and we will put this. I'm going to kind of go around like a loop here to tape, because I want to be able to have slide something in here. So I'm not taping this part. So like, yeah, you can like slide paper or something in there. Okay. And then we're going to do the same for the heart. And we're just going to do like this, because we want to be able to leave this open if we want to stick a little note in here. Same with this. And let's do, I really think this is pretty. It's actually perfect too for Easter. So I'm going to do another one of the same. Okay, now we want to add some butterflies. So let me get those. And we're just going to kind of put it across a little bit. And just decorate it any way you want. And then you can even like kind of push these up a little bit, like you would flowers, like roll it. Like you can take like a little pencil and just kind of roll it a little bit like that. Okay, let's do, I'm just gonna actually do it this way. Let's do one. So all this is folded, and so I'm going to make a little mark there and a little one here, and then put this together. And then I like to use a popsicle stick just to kind of help it. Same with this side. And this is going to be the lid. Okay, now we are going to, I'm just going to put the tape like right there. I never know which side these go. I get confused. Okay, so now we're going to do this and then tape, not tape, popsicle stick. And then the last one. Let's right there. Okay, so we're going to do one other thing. We're going to cut this in half, and then we're going to do 4 of these. Okay, now what I'm going to do is just fold this like this to all 4 of them. Let's get that one out of the way. Going to do this and this. Okay, then we will open it and take it, the tape, and just run it across, just one line down where it's folded. Then we're going to go in here and attach it to right in the middle, halfway up. I'll show you. So we're doing it halfway up. And let's do this. And I should actually just make sure it's stuck. Okay, let's get the tape again. We're going to do that again, what we just did. Okay. And we're going to put this halfway up. And when you do it halfway, it's enough support so this will stay up. Okay. I'm going to do the same. We have this one and one other, and then we're done with that. So we will put that together. One more side. Okay. Okay. So then this looks like that. Now we will put this in here. Let's just let's do like a little bit. And gotta put a little bit of that. Okay, so I folded the 5 this way, and then I'm going to put this in here, and you can, you can put anything. Let me fold this one more time. You can put anything in here. I've seen where somebody puts, little miniature chocolates, and just let me fold another 5. So really just whatever. You can put little coupons, like I'll take you to the movie coupons. You can put gift cards. Anything. Okay, so let's do this one right here. Okay, so we will put one of those eggs in there. Okay, so here I folded, let's move this aside. I folded this, and these sides, well, all I did was just take a popsicle stick and bend it back a little bit, and there's score lines here. So you're going to make that crease in those 4 sides. And then we're going to glue this to this. So let me go ahead and do an X. We'll do that instead. Okay, so then I'm going to push it down. So now this goes here, this goes here. Okay, so it's like this, and then you're just going to push this up. So here, let's kind of fold this like that. Okay, so it kind of just folds in there. Okay, so then what we do is take this, and that's the lid. We're going to put it on top, and let's see, isn't that cute? And let's get a ribbon and maybe put some butterflies on it. Let's see, maybe we'll do like this a little bit. And let's see, maybe over here, do a little purple. Okay, and let me get a ribbon. Okay, so the only thing I can find is mesh that I think would be a really pretty color, because the rest of the ribbon that I have is Christmas ribbon, or so I have no idea what this is going to look like, but let's try this. And you can even do something super cute, like even put like a little egg right here. You could tape it. Let's see. Okay, so now I'm going to show you what happens when you open it. Let's take the egg off and open this. Okay. Okay, so you'll open it, and then this pops open. So, and you can just put so many different things in here. It's just so many, it's unlimited ideas of what you could put in here. So, isn't that cute, you guys? And it's not hard at all. So tell me what you think. Comment below, and I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe. See you around. Bye.